Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday. Let's go over and break down Tesla for today's trading session. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though, guys, come join Discord. I give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed. So if you need help in figuring out when to get into companies like Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, come join. You're going to make a lot of money with us. So yeah, we'll see you guys here. All right, so with that said, let's jump in. So coming into this week, guys, we were looking for a low across the markets, right? Now, I'm on the weekly time frame for Tesla right now. The charts are calling for one more low, guys, right? We're looking for one more low. However, because of the news about the tariff pause, right, we could have easily bottomed here already, and we could be doing something like this, where on the next dip, we hold the higher low, and we push forward, right? And this could officially be the bottom here for a wave 2. So looking for a 1, A, B, C flat for a black 2, okay? So we're looking to see whether or not this low can hold, and if it does, right, we're going to be looking at the first target at the 50 back, which is around 320 up to 380, guys, right? So 50, 70% pump into the future. So this is sort of the main path that we're looking at. Now, of course, again, guys, right, it could do something funky like this as well, right, where we make one more marginal low closer down to 180s, 190s, 170s, right? So you can't keep your you can't rule out this scenario as well. Okay, so I want to dive deeper into the 30-minute time frame on Tesla here. Okay, so if you go down to the 30-minute time frame, right, if we're calling this the low here, right, we can put the invalidation level here, which means that as long as price stays above the invalidation level, we can call the bullish path, right? So again, we have a 3, 4, 5 signifying the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for a fifth wave, guys, right? We need that fifth wave up to finish off a wave 1, then a 3-wave sequence towards the downside, and ABC for a wave 2, deeper retracement, and then we can see whether or not this dip can hold for a higher low officially before we start breaking towards the highs. Okay, so some things to keep in mind. In my opinion, if you're an investor, these are great times to start accumulating, right? Because we are at the lows, whether it's now or one more marginal low, right? These are amazing times because I do have Tesla going up to 380, even $500 into the future, right? Now, if you're a swing trader, right, if you're shorting Tesla, I'd be very sort of, I'd make it quick, right? Only short on bounces because we are at the lows here. So just be careful if you're a bear, right? Typically these choppiness, the choppiness of this signifies some strength and some accumulation forming. So you got to be a little bit careful if you're a bear here, okay? Only short on bounces, right? And for day trading, you can short if you want some quick intraday swings. But yeah, just be mindful of where you are in sort of the market structure, okay? Because if this is the invalidation level, right, we're calling a bullish path. So it might be better to go on the 1-hour trend towards the upside, okay? So again, the only risk is that we have a 3-wave sequence where it can do something like this. Instead of breaking to highs, we do a 3-wave move towards the upside like this, break down impulsive structure like this, 5 waves towards the downside, okay? The reason why this makes sense, guys, is because a number of things. Oil has not reached equal lengths, right? It still looks like it has more time to go. The yen pairs like CAD yen, Aussie yen, they are not at equal lengths as well. Transportation isn't at equal lengths as well. So there is definitely a possibility, guys, that Tesla and other pairs can make a marginal new low. So you got to be careful and make sure that if you are going along on some of these pairs, if you're a trader, right, I'm talking about traders, you want to make sure you have your stop losses underneath this invalidation level, all right, at all times. You want to make sure you keep your risks in order, all right, because just in case that happens, you want to be prepared. Now, if you're an investor, again, anything under $250, you should be buying. We're at the lows. It's gonna pump up. You're gonna miss 10%, 20% days. So make sure you keep accumulating and keep buying. Until then, I'll talk to you guys soon. And again, join Discord, guys, right? We actually longed right here, right? We longed Tesla right here at the very bottom. So if you need help and figure out the exact entries, come join. You're going to make a lot of money with us, and we'll see you guys soon. See ya.